The Sureshine Service Network is a group of elite stone restoration and repair technicians. We have members throughout North America. If your granite counter is cracked, chipped, or damaged, you can find someone to repair it at SureshineServiceNetwork.com. The link is in the description to this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well to receive updates. We update our page regularly with great stone cleaning and restoration content. You can ask questions in the comments, but the best place to find answers is with a Sureshine Service Network member in your area. Cracks in granite counters are unfortunately a common occurrence and are caused by the presence of a steel rod that has been placed in the granite for support. We have a few other videos describing this as well. There are two ways to get at the rod: breaking and cutting. Breaking preserves much of the natural movement of the stone and can yield great results, but recent advancements in cutting by network member Brady Wright in Arizona have made cutting a viable alternative. Sureshine Service Network members now use methods of disguising their cuts so they become almost invisible. The key is a precise combination of the correct adhesives with methods of infusing granite from your counter into the cut lines. The surface is then ground flat and brought back to a shine. Because your sink caulk is damaged during the process, your Sureshine Service Network owner will remove and replace it to prevent water damage. They will then advise you on the best upkeep of your counter. If you have a crack on one side of your sink to repair, there is likely a rod on the other that is intact, so it is important to keep the area dry and the caulk around your sink intact. I have advised customers to set a calendar reminder to periodically check their sink caulk. I've been told that this simple trick has saved a few customers' countertops. Sureshine Service Network technicians across the country had saved thousands of granite kitchen counters and millions of dollars for our clients. When you look down at your repair over the years and start to forget that the crack was even there, you will feel the confidence that you have made the right choice in choosing a Sureshine Service Network owner to save your counter. Call your Sureshine Service Network member today, or you can upload photos of your countertops and the repairs directly to their page to speed up the process. Their page is located at SureshineServiceNetwork.com. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you.